Basically, I'm living the lavish life out here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. And, yeah, just doing rich people things and Colorado things, so. You're probably wondering where I am because I'm not in my typical location, which is in my bedroom, recording YouTube videos. I'm out in Colorado Springs, Colorado, on a 10-day getaway vacation out in the mountains. But nonetheless, I'm on vacation. So I'm currently staying at the Resident Inn, the Marriott in the North/South Air Force Base location. I really don't know where I am, but nonetheless, it's 11 o'clock in the morning and I'm drinking alcohol because I'm on vacation. This is where I sit in the morning and eat my fancy breakfast. This is where I lay my head at night and dream about my dream life, which I'm living right now currently. That's the little tiny TV that I'm forced to use to watch South Park. This is where I would take poos, if I took poos, but yeah, this is where that location would be. And this is where I shower. The poo room is separated from the rest of the bathroom. I have my organic products, and I also have my other lady stuff. I have a beautiful assortment of organic, natural cotton balls and Q-tips, made with only the finest cotton found in all of the lands. I do have the finest water in all of the lands. Drinkable, untouched, non-contaminated. My organic deodorants, toothbrush, and my Burt's Bees Purely Right fluoride-free toothpaste. And a bunch of toxic things that they gave me that I'm not going to use. Behind these doors is where I hide my travorables that I don't want people to see. Coming out of the bathroom, I come into the common room where you sit commonly. I have a fully loaded kitchen packed with shot glasses and a scrub daddy and only the finest organic treats and foods, non-GMO. I have the essentials in the fridge, the margarita mixes. I have a Greek yogurt that I stole from downstairs. I would never buy that. I have all organic fruits and all that yummy stuff and lots of water. Those are my vegetables, all organic. These are my other things, all organic. And then the essentials. This is where I keep my green teas, and they also have given us the largest of knives to slice my apples with in the morning. I changed my shirt. Basically, I don't know if you can see it, but there is hair on every orifice of my floor. Basically, I'm living the lavish life out here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. And, yeah, just doing rich people things and Colorado things, so. We have been given only the finest of assortments. We have a Stroop waffle. Don't know what that is, some sort of high fructose corn syrup sugar treat, and only the finest royal coffees. So the poo room is separated from the rest of the bathroom, which is separated from the bedroom, which is separated from the common room, which is included in the kitchen and also in the office. Since I'm out in Colorado for the next 10 days, I decided that I'm going to push out as many Colorado-themed videos as I can possibly create. Hey motherfuckers, I'm out in Colorado Springs, Colorado.